Across the globe, there are thousands of children who are living in inadequate parental care and deprived of individual love and care. India is the second most populated country in the world, having 430 million children in total. Out of them, almost 2 million are orphans, having lost one or both parents. Such children eventually become homeless and live in the streets or are put in some childcare institution for a long-term care, and only very few come for adoption. YCDA has identified 100 numbers of children with support from the District Child Protection Mechanism who have lost either of the parents or both the parents. The tools and mechanism that we adopt in mapping such vulnerable children is very precise. The vulnerability is determined whether the family is financially broke or are abused in some way. Children are then produced before the child welfare committees.
There is two systems. One is institutional care, another is non-institutional care. The children are residing in CCIs, but the non-institutional care is better than the institutional care system.
फोस्टर केयर प्रोसेस रे आम जो पिला आम पाक आसती प्रथम पेरेंट्स मैंने आमर आप्लिकेसन देइछन्ति आमको आप्लिकेसन देला परे से आप्लिकेसन को आम स्क्रूटिनी करा जाए आम लेवल रे एवं पेरेंट्स रो किछि तथ्य मगा जाए तांकर मेडिकल रिपोर्ट हला तांको फैमिली बैकग्राउंड हला तापर चाइल्ड वेलफेयर कमिटी और डीसीपीयू रो गोटे जॉइंट विजिट हुए जॉइंट विजिट हला परे से परिवार को आम फिट फैमिली बोली आम डिक्लेयर करते जोटा कि चाइल्ड वेलफेयर कमिटी डिक्लेयर करते फिट फैमिली बोली से हिसाब से परिवारटा फाइनाल कि था गोटे परिवार पोस्टर माने फोस्टर केयर फैमिली फोस्टर फैमिली से फिट होगी था।
वर्तमान जेन कठिन परिस्थिति छुआ मैंने पड़िकी शिशु जतन अनुष्ठान रोचन जेन जगह कि पारिवारिक माहौलटा अधूरा रही जाए से जिनसटा को मेकअप करवाली से जिनस से छुआ मानकर फोस्टर फैमिली रे रखवा द्वारा छुआ मानकर मानसिक विकासटा आउ टिके अधिका होचे।
We identify potential foster families and then perform a background check by evaluating certain prescribed indicators. Once everything falls onto place, the children are brought to the drop-in centers where we provide counseling and conduct overall health checkup of the children. We also train the foster families about good parenting skills, in which we encourage them to perform a welcome ceremony for the kids in their home and communities so that the children feel welcomed and loved by all.
इच्छा कली केन्ता करी मुई अन्य शिशु मान को मोर परिवार रखिकी से माने केन्ता करी जेन ड्रॉप आउट हो जाछन से छुआ माने केन्ता करी पाठ पढ़ी पारबे से ऊपर आसिक मुई फास्ट आज्ञा से आलोचना कली आज्ञा भी राजी हेली।
We keep in touch with the child school teachers on a regular basis so as to track the child's educational progress and social behavior while in the school.
YCDA रो तीनोटी शिशु आम एठी पोस्टर केयर माँ विद्युतलता खमारी माध्यम रे मो विद्यालय नाम लिखाई से माने प्रथमे एकाकी मन करुले किंतु एबे से माने आम सहित मिसिगले जहाँ कहले से माने आम कथा को पालन करुचंती ଆଉ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ସେମାନେ ଆମ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟକୁ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି। ସେମାନେ ବହୁତ ଆଗ୍ରହ ସହିତ ଆମ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟକୁ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି।
ଶିଶୁର ରହଣି ସମୟରେ ଜିଲ୍ଲା ଶିଶୁ ସୁରକ୍ଷା କାର୍ଯ୍ୟାଳୟରୁ ସୋସିଆଲ ୱାର୍କର ତଥା ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ୍ ଅଫିସର ନନ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନାଲ କେୟାର ମନିଟରିଂ କରନ୍ତି।
YCDA, with the help from the child welfare committees and the district child protection units, periodically monitors the foster family from close quarters. Through neighbors and relatives, we know how the children are being treated by the foster families.
There are lot of good people in our society who wants to take children into their families, who wants to give a family like environment to the vulnerable children, who wants to nurture the children in a family setup. And government of India and government of Odisha has also made some amount of effort, like the guidelines are there, the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection Act are there, some service delivery structures like ICPS are also there. So my sincere appeal is let's make it a sincere effort so that children those are not living with their parents because of various reasons can be placed in a family setup, and they can be placed in a extended family, and they can enjoy their rights living in a family setup.
ମୋ ନାଁ ପଞ୍ଚମୀ ମେଲି, ମୁଁ ଅଷ୍ଟମ ଶ୍ରେଣୀରେ ପଢ଼ୁଛେ। ମୁଇଁ 3 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାନ ଏଠାନେ ରହୁଛେ।
अलगा परिवार के दिमी और मनो अच्छे पाठ पढ़े भलसे।
And foster care is one such option where a child can have a loving and caring family.